Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can easily restart your iPhone using the Assistive Touch on the iPhone 16 series. First, we need to turn on Assistive Touch to use this feature. So to do that, on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, make sure you go all the way back to the main settings page. And from here, go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, we go down and tap on Touch. Then tap on Assistive Touch. And make sure you tap on the toggle button to turn on Assistive Touch. Once it is switched on, you can now simply go back to the home screen. Then tap on the toggle button right here. Tap on the Assistive Touch. And then you tap on Device. Next, tap on More. And in order for you to restart the device, just tap on the Restart button, and this will pop up a dialog box. And from the dialog box, ask you, are you sure you want to restart your iPhone? So now simply just tap on the Restart button to proceed with your iPhone restart. I'm going to tap on the Cancel button for now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.